Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. How to prepare 3-column cash book.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Day 68 class. Today we are going to discuss about our 15th sum of cash book. Prepare 3-column cash book from the following particulars. So we have to prepare 3-column cash book from the following particulars. This is the pro forma of 3-column cash book. On 2019, we have to write the year, both sides, and month also, February. So here, cash in hand 12,000, bank balance credit 10,000. What is the meaning of credit? So we have to write it in credit side. This is a credit balance, not the debit balance. On February 1st, cash in hand means this is a debit balance. 2, balance brought down, cash 12,000, and February 1st, buy, balance brought down, bank balance 10,000. And next, paid to Hari by check, discount received on 5th by Hari account 425 we has paid by check and 75 as discount received. On 9th, sales 2, sales account, and the amount is 1600. And next, deposited cash into bank 1300. So this is a contra entry. On 15th, we have to write both sides. We has deposited the cash into bank. So bank account debtor to cash account. So by bank account to cash account, and the amount is 1300. By bank, we have to write it in cash column. To cash, we have to write it in bank column. And next, on 18th, received check from Kalyan 1275, discount allowed 25, Kalyan check deposited into bank. So on the same day, the Kalyan check is deposited in the bank. So this is not a contra entry. So this amount, the check amount, we have to write directly into the bank column. On 18th, 2, Kalyan account 1275. The check we have to write it in bank column directly because the check is deposited in the bank in the same day, and discount allowed 25 rupees. And next, on 20, taken cash from bank for personal use. So if it is an office use, office purpose, it is a contra entry. Otherwise, it is a drawings account. On 20, by drawings account 3000. We have to write it in bank column 3000. And next, paid salaries on 25th by salaries account 1200. And next, telephone bill paid by check on 27th by telephone bill account. By check, we have to write it in bank column 1250. And next, drawn from bank for office use. For office use, it is a contra entry. So we have to write the date at the both sides 28. And the cash is taken from the bank. So it is a cash account debtor to bank account. That means by cash account, it's a contra entry, and to bank account, it's a Contra entry, the amount is 2000. So to bank we have to write it in cash column, and by cash we have to write it in bank column 2000. So these are the entries for 2019 February. So we have to make total. First discount 75 here and discount allowed 25. Here cash is high amount in debit side and cash is low amount in credit side. First we have to make total debit. That means 15,600. And next look here, debit side is less amount. Debit side is less amount than credit side. So here credit side is the higher amount. 10,000 plus 425 plus 3,000 plus 125 plus 2,000. And the total is 16,675. So here by on it's February month on 28th, by balance C by D, we are getting the balance C by D at the both sides and the balance brought down amount also in the both sides, because here the cash amount is high and here the bank amount is high. So 15,600 minus 2,500. 13,100 is the cash balance, and here on 28 to balance C by D, 16,675 minus 2,575, and the total is 14,100. Right? We have to make this carried down amount to the next month. First balance brought down. On 2019, this is February month. Next month of February is March 1st. To balance B by D. This cash amount we have to transfer to the next month in debit side, 13,100, and in the same way in the credit side also March 1st by balance brought down. So this amount, the bank amount, will have to transfer to the next month first at credit side 14,100. So this is the 15th sum of cash book. I hope you all understand the class. Hi friends. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.